Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2016 Module 7 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Format data as a table. Select A8, M38 and format as a table using Aqua, table style dark 11 with headers. Step 2. Clean up data, delete the donor column and remove row 23, Michael Nelson's data. Step 3. Calculate costs. In L9, use equals if, at, reunion year, less than or equal to 10, 210, 255. Fill the column with the formula. Step 4. Insert and label balance column, add a new column next to cost, label it balance, and calculate balance using sad face at, cost, at, deposit. Step 5. Format columns, apply currency format with 0 decimal places to deposit, cost, and balance. Step 6. Sort and organize data, sort by reunion year, ascending, and then by school, ascending. Step 7. Update and add records, replace health with liberal arts in column D. Add Jane Craig's record to the table. Step 8. Finalize table, add a total row, sum the cost column in L38, and set columns AC as print titles. Step 9. Add header, insert the sheet name in the center header section. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268, or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.